Measurement is the process of assigning numbers and units to particular features of objects or events. The number and the unit together constitute the measure of the object or event. A dimensional quantity refers to the particular feature of the object or event that is measured. We will learn three fundamental properties and their associated dimensional quantities that behavior analysts measure. These are temporal locus, temporal extent, and repeatability, which can also be referred to as countability. A response occurs at a specific point in time in relation to preceding environmental events. Thus, one of the fundamental properties of a single response is temporal locus. The dimensional quantity associated with temporal locus is latency. When we refer to temporal locus, think we can measure when behavior occurs. IRT, or inner response time, refers to the amount of time between two consecutive responses. For example, let's say that it takes a student an exceptionally long time to finish their lunch, and we want to measure the time between each bite. We would start our timer at the end of the first bite and stop the timer at the beginning of the second bite. We would continue to take data on the time between bites, total that time, and then divide it by the number of bites taken. This would then be reported as an average IRT. The shorter the IRT, the higher the response rate, and the longer the IRT, the slower the response rate. So let's go back to the example about eating. So if it takes 5 minutes between bites, then the rate of eating, or the rate of bite taking, is a lot lower than if the time between bites was about an average of 2 minutes.